My name is Kate Taylor. I'm the head of global recruiting and I work at Notion. Notion is a connected workspace. It's where teams can share and create together. We've built the first no-code software tool. Notion prioritizes having executive assistants because it creates this hyper-organized and efficient team structure between kind of the leadership structure and also the individuals to make this really awesome and empowered team globally. Using an EA provided by Viva, we've had really reliable coverage. It's been a really smooth way to find someone who is qualified really easily compared with finding a contractor or finding a full-time employee. The quality bar at Viva is really high and been really impressed. Danny was the first person I worked with and the only person, so I think that just says something in itself. Danny always goes above and beyond what I'm thinking. The pace and speed at which my brain is working, Danny always matches that. I've been able to focus more on my relationships instead of the behind the scenes. She takes out a lot of the what and the how, and I get to do the why, and that has been really impactful for me. And the quality bar, I've been really impressed with how smooth all of our EAs are here from Viva, and so I would definitely recommend working with them.